Jonathan Moyo's mother targeted by military junta. Former higher, tertiary science and technology minister Jonathan Moyo claims that the Gukurahundi Cabal and General Constantine Chiwenga's junta today dispatched Tendai Mugabe of the Herald to go to Buhera to instill fear in his mother. Moyo posted on Twitter saying, "The Gukurahundi Cabal and Chiwenga's junta has today dispatched one of its media puppets, Tendai Mugabe of the Herald, to go to Buhera to instill fear in the widow of this 1983 victim of Gukurahundi in Dlathu, Dlathu. He was butchered in Dlathu, not in Buhera." Moyo's father, Dlathu, who was a PF Zimbabwe councillor, was reportedly abducted by the 5th Brigade in 1982 in order to dig his own grave before he was killed in cold blood and shoved into the shallow grave. He became one of the earliest victims of one of the darkest chapters in Zimbabwe's history. Moyo has repeatedly refused to be silenced over the thorny Gukurahundi issue, despite efforts by his own UPF colleagues to close the chapter without addressing the issues. Thousands of affected people have failed to properly rebury their relatives for decades, with President Robert Mugabe describing the period as a moment of madness, but has yet to publicly apologize for unleashing the army on innocent civilians. Remains of the Gukurahundi victims continue to be uncovered in some parts of Lowland, particularly in Wiyopane, an area that bore the brunt of the mass killings.